How to hide WhatsApp chat. First of all, open WhatsApp and go to your chat list. Now, find a conversation you want to hide. Press and hold on that chat until you see a few options appear on the top of your screen. Next, tap on the archive icon, which looks like a box with a downward arrow. This will immediately move the selected chat to the archived section. Once archived, that chat will disappear from your main chat screen, making it hidden from plain view. If you want to hide multiple chats, you can select more than one chat before tapping the archive icon. This helps keep your main chat screen clean and organized, especially if there are conversations you don't use regularly. Now, if a new message comes in from that chat, it might show up again in your main list. To prevent this, tap the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, go to Settings, then tap Chats, and find the option that says Keep Chats Archived. Turn that option on. This ensures that even if a new message comes in, the chat stays hidden in the archived folder. To see your hidden chats again, simply scroll to the top of your chat list. You will see the archived section right there. Tap on it to view or unarchive any conversation. And that's it. Now you know how to hide WhatsApp chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.